Like any fighting force, the immune system's army marches towards the stomach. The food that you eat contributes to your overall health and well-being. So, start by including 60 to 70% of whole plant-based foods in your daily diet. Whole foods such as whole grains, legumes, lentil, pulses, fruits, and vegetables are the ones that contribute to your overall health. And once you start including plant-based foods in your diet, there will be increased intake of dietary fiber. It helps in better digestion, provides you satiety, and also help in inculcating the growth of beneficial bacteria in your stomach. It is not only good for the immune system, but also helps in maintaining heart health, lowering down the blood sugar levels, and maintaining weight. So, try and consume at least 5 portions of vegetables in a day. Next is micronutrients. They are basically vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which play a major role in taking care of growth and development in your body. Recovery also depends on these basic micronutrients. So, how to include them in your diet? The simple trick is try including different colored fruits and vegetables in your diet. For example, locally grown dark leafy vegetables add not only fiber but also various other nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, folate, vitamin K, magnesium, calcium, iron, and potassium. Whereas yellow colored vegetables and citrus fruit, they are rich in vitamin C and beta carotene. They help in boosting the immune system and helps in fighting the free radicals in your body. So the simple trick is, the more the colors on your plate, the better will be the micronutrient content. Try and include different variety of spices in your meals. As we all know, there are more than 100 commonly used spices in all kinds of cuisines. Especially in Indian cooking, spices and condiments form the base of any recipe. We all have that masala box lying in our kitchen, right? These spices are a concentrated source of antioxidants, and it has various therapeutic properties. They are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and helps in better digestion and maintaining healthy heart. So, include spices in your daily diet in the form of spice teas with peppercorns, ginger, turmeric, or as simple as just a glass of cumin water. The immune system reacts similarly to a high-fat and a high-calorie diet as to bacterial infection. Start by avoiding processed foods, sugar, too much meat, and dairy because they can be inflammatory in nature and can be a load on the digestion process. Apart from this, food timings also plays an important factor when it comes to health. The circadian clock has a greater impact on digestion and enzymatic reaction that concerns the growth and metabolism of humans. Try to keep a gap of 10 to 12 hours between your dinner and breakfast. Also, try to have an easily digestible meal 2 hours before you go to bed, preferably before 8 p.m. Choosing healthier versions of snacking is very important. I can understand that it is very convenient to reach out for a pack of chips, biscuits, or namkeen, but it contains a whole lot of chemical additives which can be inflammatory in nature. Healthy snacking need not to be difficult. It can be as easy as including a bowl of sprouts, mixed fruits, nuts and seeds, or even raw vegetable smoothie and a juice. It can simply be a homemade vegetable soup also. Physical activity plays a vital role in hormonal health and can even slow down the release of stress level cortisol. Cortisol, if secreted in higher amounts, can increase the chances of illness. So, try and include any physical activity ranging from mobility, strength, cardio for at least 40 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Sit less and move more. The next important factor is your sleep. a healthy sleeping habit for about 7 to 9 hours has proven to help in better recovery due to secretion of growth hormones. Try and go to sleep every day at the same time, and try and create a routine keeping aside all your gadgets 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Practicing sleep rituals like reading a book or listening to music before going to bed can promote healthy sleeping habits. Habits like smoking and alcohol consumption have shown adverse effects on health. Alcohol use, especially heavy use, weakens the immune system and therefore reduces the ability to cope with infectious disease. Smoking, on the other hand, increases oxidative stress in the body and delays the healing time. So try and cut down on both of these habits. It will actually help in boosting the immune system. Fill in half of your plate with vegetables. 1/4 of your plate can be proteins, which can be lentil, pulses, legumes, eggs, fish, or chicken. And the rest 1/4 can be whole grains, which can be wheat, different type of millets, or oats. And this needs to be followed for all the 3 main meals, which is your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So some ideal examples of meals that you can take in your breakfast is 2 pieces of idli, 1 large bowl of mixed vegetable sambar, along with 2 boiled egg whites. Or it can be 2 to 3 moong dal chila with a big bowl of sorted vegetables or any sabzi. For lunch, again, we have to follow the same rule, wherein half of it should be vegetables, 1/4 should be proteins, and rest 1/4 should be carbs. Few examples will be 2 to 3 multigrain rotis, 1 bowl of dal, 1 katori of any cooked sabzi or any cooked vegetable, and again a bowl of salad. Another example can be 1 bowl of rice along with a bowl of black chana curry or rajma curry, and combined with a big bowl of, again, vegetable salad. For dinner, make sure to choose easily digestible foods and the foods which contain complex carbs, which can promote better sleep. One example can be a big bowl of khichdi made by adding a lot of vegetable in it. The second example can be 2 to 3 fulkas with a bowl of palak paneer. And the third example can be a bowl of vegetable dalia combined with a katori of dal.